will be unboxing these packages from Shopee. Let's go!
What package is that? It's about your...
It's about my study area and my school.
For your study area and for your school?
Yes. So let's unbox it.
Anyway, how many packages you have?
1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 5. We have 5 packages.
So are you excited to open it?
Yes.
You know what's inside? Not sure.
Not sure.
Because
I haven't opened it yet.
and Mommy Uda once ordered it?
Yes.
Okay, let's see if it's beautiful or not.
Yes. Let's go. Okay, never mind. Let's just open it. It's really hard to open Shopee packages. Oh, it's so hard. Guys,
Be careful.
I was about to say that.
Yeah.
Guys, please be careful while using a scissors because it can really hurt you.
Scissors is dangerous. Yeah, it's secured.
That's nice.
Yeah. My love, Wawa, you keep on passing. Are you the commercial man or the commercial girl?
Where's the end? Look. Just slowly open it. You don't want the object inside here broke. Oh, I can already see it! Guys, I can already see it.
What is it?
Oh, what's this? The keyboard! Look!
Oh, that's a keyboard. It's so thin. Why Mommy bought you a keyboard? For
school, so I won't do like that to the laptop now.
Yeah.
And we also have a mouse.
Yeah. Can you open the mouse?
Okay.
That's no wire.
Oh, wow, that's cool.
Yeah.
Guys, guess what color is it? It's blue.
Yeah. Mommy choose blue because Dina's favorite color is
Blue.
correct.
Wow, this is so long. It's like a telephone now. So let's open the next package.
Yeah. So this is the one that we ordered.
Yes, guys, it has a charger.
Can you please set aside this one there? Be careful. You put the box beside it too.
Where's that? Okay, let's open this one. It's orange.
So what's inside of the orange?
I don't know. Let's open it.
Wow, I was excited too. Is that your toy, my love? My love, wow.
Ooh, look. Guys, what's this? It's the pens and color pens. Look. It has like different colors. Should I open this?
Yes, please.
Okay.
So they can see what's inside. Do not throw everywhere the rubbish, please.
I'll get it later. Oh! Be careful always. Let's go. We have stuff. Is this a pen? Oh, it's a ink pen, guys. Okay, I'll show you. Here,
Yeah, it's a ball pen.
a ball pen.
Color blue. How many is that? 12 pieces, I think.
Yes, I think so. Some of them are mali.
Okay. And then what else?
Then next we have what call this again?
What's it called? This?
Correction tape.
Correction tape. Yeah, correct.
It has its name.
Yeah. Next.
Next we have wait, it's stuck. Is it attached to stuff?
Yeah. Color pens.
Oh, color pens.
Yeah, color pens.
I was
12 color.
colorblind.
Yeah. And then the other one.
This is so cool.
Yeah, because my baby Dina loves color, she loves art, she loves drawing, she loves anything art. So
We have pens.
we bought
Color
a lot.
pens.
Yeah.
We have 2 packs of color pens. So colorful. Next, we're gonna open this huge package.
Yeah.
Guys, comment down below what's inside here.
Yeah. Wawa think that she have hers too.
Wow, we should order.
My love, mommy did not order.
Oh, it's so fun unboxing it. Oh, it comes in a box.
What could it be? What
It's
could
wrapped
it?
in a box,
Okay.
guys.
Ah, yeah, I think what's that? I think I know what's that.
I don't know what's this. Guys, comment down below what is this. I don't know. Okay, let's go.
Wawa, you keep on tossing.
Wrapper. So secure.
She's smelling it.
Wow,
What is it, my
it's
love?
Wonderful. So hard to open. I wonder.
Mama's doing bad. No, my love, you cannot do that, my love. Your sister giving you an eye.
I
Oh.
started taking it. So secure.
Yeah, thank you so much for the seller
Yes, thank you so much.
because you secured our orders.
Yes, thank you so much. I can do it. I think I found blue wrapper. What's this?
Ah, yeah, mommy joined that. Oh my god, did you cut that?
No.
We love using that.
Yeah, this is like this.
That's for the back, I think.
It's cool.
But Wawa thought.
Guys,
My love, it's not a toy. My love, it's not a toy.
Guys, which one do you like? Comment down below.
My love, it's not a toy. You put it in the couch now because Wawa will eat that.
And what else do we have here? Wait. Oh, we have where you put the pens and the colors.
Yeah,
Look.
we bought 6 pieces of that.
Looks like a
Colors, silver.
We have there's so many.
Because Dina had a lot of stuff. So this
Yeah.
is all for the pens. The next,
Yeah.
all for the pencils. Next, all for the color pens. Next, all for the glitters. Next, all for the color pencils. Then, markers. Yeah, so that's why I bought like, how many I bought? 6, I think.
Too many. It's like a trash can.
Yeah, it's like a mini trash can. So I bought 6 pieces in this. Because it's nice. It's beautiful.
Yeah.
You put this one there, my love, in the side. So
We
there
got
you go, Wawa.
6 trash cans.
Yeah.
Well, not trash cans.
Are you happy, my love?
Yeah, so very happy.
Good job. I'm
Why is
happy
bad?
that you're happy. Wawa! My love, no.
Oh, this is heavy, guys.
Is it?
Yeah.
Yeah. This is for your papers.
No wonder it's heavy.
My love, excuse. Ate Dina's using scissors.
No.
Wawa? You say hi to them. Hi guys! Can you please subscribe to our channel? I am Wawa Jane, the beautiful baby.
Let's wrap in another box.
Yeah.
So hard to open.
It's so hard to open. Oh, yay!
Oh, this is hard to assemble.
It's not your toy, my love. Huh?
Ow! This is so heavy. It's a 5-year documentary. What? No, please. Oh, this is so heavy. Look, guys.
Yeah, that's so
In the back.
perfect.
So
Yeah.
perfect because I have so many papers.
Yeah, she had a lot of constructions, bond paper, glitter paper,
And
other
construction
paper. I don't know what other paper, but she had a lot that we need to, what do you call that?
Here is
Because everything mixed up.
up this and that.
And now she's gonna open the big package.
Oh, this is so heavy.
Yeah,
So
this
secure.
package is for her, for the laptop, and
And also
also
for the kitchen.
for the kitchen. Yeah.
What my mom ordered.
Yeah, be careful, my love.
So hard to open, guys.
Mm.
Oh, that's so hard. Ah, they secured very well. I think the wrapper's even safe now, guys.
My love, Wawa, no.
I keep Romania away from me now. Ah, guys, I'm tired of opening. Oh! Oh, finally, guys. We have a bathroom rack. I'll show you. It's big. It's a bath. Oh, so hard. Oh, bathroom rack.
Yeah,
Nice.
but that's for the kitchen, not for the bathroom. Yeah, we're going to use that for your drinks, for the Youcut, for the orange juice, for the apple juice, and for the Dutch meal, and for the C2. So everything will be organized in there because the fridge is everything full, no space. Okay, cut the plastic. I
What's
think.
even this?
Cut more.
What is this?
I
What
hope.
is this?
I don't know.
Why is there any open?
Now
Guys.
the package is broken. But I think this is for the kitchen. Yeah, this is for the kitchen. We're going to disassemble this one later. That's for your laptop. Yeah, so her laptop will stand.
Yeah. But it's kind of like a slide.
Yeah.
We have also a second piece of the kitchen. Oh. Why is all the packaging of this ruined?
Because they
Why
did
is
not
that?
put, they should put, what's it called this?
Tape?
No, fragile. So it won't be like this. But yeah, I hope it's still good.
Here
So,
it is.
me and Dina will assemble this and we will show you after.
After.
See you!
See you!